Hi, my name is Brooke Davis. I am the Director of Business Development and Marketing at Team Power Solutions. Team Power Solutions is an electrical and automation company that was founded here in Saskatoon in 2009. The TAP program is a Trade Accelerator Program, which is put on by industry partners. And what it is help for people that are trying to build their export plan. It has really helped us de-risk entering into new export markets. It gives us access to financial help. It helps us out with a plan on exporting with the government, so Trade Commissioner service. It also gives us access to funding from federal government, and in general is a real partnership. Our growth plan is to double in the next 5 years. TAP's been instrumental in helping us develop our plan, not only just for our trade and export south of the border, but it also helps us build our program here locally as well too. There's many pieces to it and aspects that we can use in all of our other divisions. We've got a really good handle on our markets locally, but we know to meet our growth projections, we have to grow outside of our core market. After going through the TAP program, it helps you define where you want to be, the market analysis, what your competition looks like, and how to be competitive in that market.